Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to get the notification for new updates. Friends, today we are going to solve basic proportionality theorem, or we can say BPT or Thales theorem. First I'll write the statement. If a line is drawn parallel, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of triangle, so if a line, I am drawing over triangle here A B C, if a line is drawn parallel to, this is parallel to one side of triangle, let us name it as DE, intersecting, yes, it is intersecting here, intersecting the other two side. This line is intersecting other two sides of triangle, then the other two sides, this other two sides are divided in same ratio. This two sides are divided in same ratio. This we have to prove. So we have to prove that, what we have to prove, AD by DB is equals to AE by EC. So this we have to prove. So first we will write given over here, given, triangle is given, triangle ABC triangle is given, and this is parallel to this one, DE is parallel to BC is given. So now what we will do, we will do construction. We will draw this perpendicular line. Let us name it as F. This line FE is perpendicular to AB. This is perpendicular line I am drawing over here. Another perpendicular line I will draw from here. This I'll name it as GD. GD is perpendicular to AC. GD is perpendicular to AC. As you can see over here, two perpendicular lines I have constructed, and I'll join these two, BE and DC. Join BE and DC. So construction is also finished. Now we will start proof. So you can see over here we have to prove AD by DB. So we need this side AD by DB we need. So what I'll do, I'll consider these two triangles, areas of these two triangles ADE and DBE. Now what I'll do, area of triangle ADE by area of triangle, we need DB na, DBE I'll take, DBE, you know the formula of area of triangle, half into base into height. Half into base into height you will write. Then what is base over here, we need AD na, half I'll write 1 by 2, here also in denominator 1 by 2, we need base and we need height. So base is our AD over here. In this triangle, first ADE, we are taking base AD and height is FE. FE is height of both the triangles, this as well as this. FE is height, FE. So for both the triangles, FE is height, because this is the perpendicular to both the sides. Now here base we are taking DB. So we got AD by DB, yes, we are having AD by DB. 1 by 2 gets cancelled, FE gets cancelled. You will get area of triangle ADE by area of triangle DBE is equals to AD by DB. So first you got this. So this side, left hand side you got, you need to go for this right side. Similarly we will take this two triangle AEEC. AE and EC means we have to take area of triangle ADE and EDC. Similarly, area of triangle, this same triangle we need to take ADE. ADE by area of triangle. See here EC is there na, so ECD, triangle ECD we will take. So same, you will get half into base into height, then base you will get AE, and EC height you will get GD. GD gets cancelled, you will get AE by EC. Similarly you can do AE by EC. So you got this, but we have to prove AD by DB. Yes, LHS you got, RHS AE by EC you got, but we need to prove these two are equal. So here you can see, if this you can see that numerators are same, we need to prove that these two denominators are equal. If these two denominators are equal, we can prove that these two are equal. Okay, let us see these two are equal or not. Triangle DBE and ECD. Triangle DBE and ECD. Yes, these two triangles are equal. How? Because these two are sharing the same base and between the parallel lines. So triangle DBE and triangle ECD are on same base. Okay, same base share कर रहे हैं. They are sharing the same base DE, that is DE, and between parallel lines, and between parallel lines, they are between the parallel lines. So these two triangles are equal. Okay, area of triangle DBE is equals to area of triangle ECD. If these two denominators are same, numerators are already same, denominators also we got same, that means these two are equal. Hence 1 is equals to 2, that is, therefore AD by DB is equals to AE by EC. So hence proved. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.